So today we would solve the question the middle of linked list. In this question, as it is given, the head of the linked list, and we have to return the middle node of the linked list. If there are two middle nodes, we have to return the second middle node. So as you can see in the example, the head linked list is given as following, that is 1 2 3 4 5, and the output linked list is 3 4 5 from because the middle of the list is 3. And in the second example also, the linked list is given as 1 to 6 and the output is 4 to 6, because since the list has two middle nodes with value 3 and 4, we are going to return the second node, that is 4. Hence we are returning 4 5 6. And the constraints are as following: the number of nodes in the list are in the range 1 to 100. So starting up with the question, uh, we would first be iterating throughout the linked list. We would be declaring two nodes. One would be slow and one would be fast. So fast would be moving twice as fast as slow. Suppose slow is moving from 1 to 2. At that time fast would move from 1 to 3. While slow moved from 2 to 3, fast moves from 3 to 5. But as soon as fast reaches null, or the next pointer points to null, the whole system would stop, because now we have reached the end of the linked list and we don't need to move forward anymore, and we would stop the loop, and we would print the middle node, that is 1 2 3. Similarly here you can see, uh, okay, so in this linked list, we the slow pointer would move to 1 to 2. At that time fast pointer would move to 1 to 3, and the slow pointer would move now 2 to 3, it would move 3 to 5, and now it would move 4, and at last it would reach null. So it would keep following this till we reach the end of the linked list, or at the node which is not which is null. So this is how the whole question is going to work out. Now we would code the question. So we are declaring two nodes, that is list node slow, and we would declare it as head, and we would code another node, that is fast, and we would declare that also as head, and at last we would return slow. Between this we would put a loop, that while fast is not equals to null and fast dot next is also not equals to null, because we don't want both the conditions to hit, because it would give us a null pointer exceptional case. And till then slow would be equals to slow dot next, and fast would be equals to twice as fast, means fast equals to fast dot next. And we would run the code, because we are moving twice as fast as the following. Yeah, so I would submit the code, and 100% of Java solutions online passed, and 90% of Java solution for middle of the linked list. So yeah, this was it for the question. It was really a very simple question, and this is the end of the linked list, and this is how the whole process would work. Thank you and have a nice day.